right up. How about that? Well, I finally got it started. Not running all that great, but it is running. I put a new starter in it, a new fuel pump, and she started right up. Here's the reason why I had to replace the starter. I've never seen this before, but this thing cracked. And originally it was making a really bad screeching sound. Now I don't know if it cracked while I was trying to use this starter. It almost looks like it's a new crack. I don't see any dirt in it. So I don't know why it cracked, but the new one starts the engine just fine. And I'm glad about that. So, got a new starter at a great price through Rock Auto. Thank you for watching.